Hi, welcome to another episode of Trini Bites. Tomorrow is Father's Day. We already did a video with Father's Day. We're going to do another one. This one, a lot of people requested goat head. Curry goat head. So I went and waited almost 2 hours this morning to buy goat head. Line up in the line. The guy cut it up. I'm going to clean it. It's a long procedure cleaning this. I bought 4. We're going to curry it up for Father's Day. And the price is, how much for one? $15 for one. Plus I have a piece of the goat neck. You know, a lot of people like it. I buy it to try it as well. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to soak this, clean it out, and then cut it up into small pieces. And I'd like to say thanks to my father. He's no longer around, but you know how much tap I get to clean this? So I learned to clean this behind my brother Deepak. We couldn't burn itself. If we burn it, one tap behind we end. So I'm a professional in this now. Alright? Now of course, what's a lime with all this? Hot peppers. Happy Father's Day again to all the fathers out there. And to all the haters, happy Father's Day too as well. Alright, so this is one. I like to wash it out before I cut it up and clean it. See, you got nice meat. I don't use the brain, so I take that out. Yeah, oh, look at this goat teeth, man. Right now, this goat have better teeth than some people. Here, I got one piece here, I'll show you guys how we do it. This is the piece with the jawbone. Normally I cut him down the middle here. Get the most of the meat out. Right, and if you look closely, you will see the feelers here. You gotta cut that out. You know, you gotta have a sharp knife. Alright, take that out. It's garbage. So the piece again here. Alright, so this piece is good now. You can cut this up into what size you want it. For me, that's a good size. Alright, so that's good now. And there's a little piece here you can take out as well with the meat. Right, so we got that. Garbage. This piece already clean. Alright. And many more like that to come. That's 4 I gotta do. So I'll be here watching Ronaldo, Portugal play. I think Belgium today. So while I cut on this, my eye will be on the TV. So I hope I don't cut my fingers. See you soon. Okay, so I cut up most of it already. This is the small pieces. I cut into pieces here. But the big pieces, I need a bigger chopper and a cutting board. I'll have to cut it separately from. I can't cut it in top here. It will break the cabinet. So that's it. I have the last piece here. And this is how the 4 goat head came up to. And it's time to cut up the big pieces and put some curry in that. So, see you soon again. Alright, so after 2 hours of hard work cleaning this is it. Getting ready to eat. I'm sorry, to season. So I have the seasoning here. I have bandania, garlic, pimento, onions, green onions, we call chive. So this is going to go in here. And here I got some bandania again, pimento, and hot peppers. I think this is a Scotch bonnet pepper. So all this goes in here. Salt, black pepper, and time to season. Okay, so I'm not gonna cook this. My wife Sita is gonna cook this. She's a specialist, a curry goat head specialist. When she cook this, it's very, very tasty. Alright, so next time you see me again, I'll be cooking. We reached the park, so we set up. We have the tables, the tent, getting ready for the Father's Day line. Trini Bites Father's Day line. We have our stove here getting ready. And you remember I told you yesterday, we had the clean the goat head. And it's inside here. We're going to chunk it up. Plus we have some goat coming. And we're going to do some pork cutting as well. Right, so we have Grizz here. Grizz.
Yes.
And good things we don't have a Cora up here. Come and see our Cora. Look at that dude. See? Water is running nice. We'll be taking a dive later on. We had to dig a pool, but it'll work. Alright, so we'll be back shortly when the lime starts with a drink in my hand. Alright?
Alright, so we say Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, bye.
So, me and Sam,
Yeah.
Happy Father's Day, bye.
we still waiting for Justin and them, but I don't know.
No, he's a dog dad.
It is Father's Day. It is Father's Day.
I don't know when I go hatch around, but we're going to see. Hopefully soon.
Where's?
Lighter, you got your lighter?
Oh yeah.
You have it?
No.
Grizzly, don't eat the grass.
I didn't bring my jacket, so I have no utilities,
so-
no knife, nothing.
Where are you pointing?
Justin going to fry some egg.
I'm only prepping it. I'm not frying it.
Somebody will fry it.
Get one.
Come, Grizz.
Happy Father's Day. Yes.
If you don't like crispy bacon, any other bacon is nasty.
I don't like it crispy.
What?
Oh, he likes it nasty too.
Yeah.
It's not nasty.
Burn down the whole pack.
Watch. That whole thing catch on fire still. Watch, we didn't reach good and he nearly burned on the whole pack.
Hang on to the eggs.
Fry an egg now.
Don't worry.
One piece done already.
Grizzly.
Yes, no, as soon as I
Got the bacon.
Just like the last week, eh?
Yeah. Like a egg pancake.
Yeah, why just?
Yeah, I had to wash the tongs because this man dropped
He
everything.
dropped it on.
This really cool up some pork.
You seen this barbecue thing?
like in his mind.
Alright. So I'm going to make...
Grizzly, behave. Look here.
There's another bag.
So some
Grizzly?
You want I got
curry
water?
and some black masala, eh?
I got water?
Yeah.
You want
Can I have
water?
ice? Come for ice. Stop.
Yeah.
Here, come.
Now even more banana.
Yeah.
Was it different?
That is okay. This is pak sapi.
Yeah.
This is what they call a pak sapi.
Yeah, see fly I'm going? So this is the goat head I we seasoned yesterday.
I'm getting
Okay.
I got him all hands. Second time that really No, he cut it up yesterday.
They just cut the head, and then he just come and like cut it. Yeah, cut it smaller. Yeah. No, we went to Jane Street. Yeah. They have
almost 2 hours.
They cut it with saw. Cut it with saw.
They cut it with the
They
saw.
got to saw and I come home and clean it.
Right.
Cut him up and clean it again.
When they cut it with saw, you have to do it.
Yeah. They cut it better over there.
When you cut it with cutlass, you have to do it.
Yeah, it have a cover.
So we asked Sam to go and chunky the goat meat. So you getting ready there? Goat today, boy. Goat, all the fun corner.
Watching that mango.
Sam, you mixture there, boy. What? Secret ingredient?
No. No. You'll get a piece.
See Sam, you mixture there with the curry and the onion, garlic, bandania.
Goat hair and goat meat.
The missing is a piece of pork.
This have enough pepper. I need to put
We have Sam right here. You want the master here, man. Powerful too bad, boy. Yeah, and this is the alcohol ride. Yeah, it's big, eh? How many people are this over here?
6.
And for anybody who can't get stuck in New York, okay, Sunil, I'm bringing that case of that for the madam when I come in.
Oh God, watch. He chorong waiting for heating.
Garbage. Yeah, who drinking that is garbage.
Who drinking this? Garbage.
Yeah, Sunil. So I'm bringing that case of this for you when I come in on New York. Alright?
I had to carry a skid to Florida for in there.
Alright, we have the lime going on here. Yeah, move that close from the sun.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's not cut like the cut from.
How old is he?
I don't know.
That is my nephew and the 2 dogs.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, this is my nephew here. And, oh, yeah, sorry. Walker. Walker. You want 20 bites? Hey, guys, you want 20 bites?
How old is you? 5 months.
Papa, you go. You go.
5 months.
Baby.
Go around to what's this?
Hey, boy.
Hi boy. Hi boy.
That one's the cuddle bug. He likes to cuddle up and love up and to kiss up and everything.
Okay, Mom. Hi. How are you?
We have a little papa with a big mouth.
This way. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers. Happy birthday. Danford Park, Trini Bites Posse.
Chili bite, chili bite.
Volume, boy, volume.
Crack it, crack it.
याद नहीं
Well, stop. Huh? Stop.
You see some pieces soft because it's different head, right?
Cheers, boy. Happy Father's Day.
There's a lot of the water.
Come in Trini Bites family. This is the only Trini Bites family here.
A lot of the water supposed to evaporate, or it's supposed to be like.
I'm sure you got something in there.
Oh, it still has
That's your grandson.
Yeah. Sleepy.
Grandson is the best.
Yeah.
I go over there, Rocky, boy.
So unclean, boy.
Pure garbage.
We're not
I go over there, Rocky. Where's that? Can you
Oh, piss.
So, my nephew here. You know what I mean? I don't say Happy Father's Day to him because he had to go.
What do you one?
Huh? No, you're not here. I'm not here. Cheers.
No, it's happy birthday.
Cheers. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Somebody go tell. It's been 2 hours and the hotel still cooking because we can't bring the pressure cooker. So come and take a look at this. I think about an hour again it will be okay. You have enough gas. You have 2 tanks of gas. So they cook.
Yeah, this is really tough.
Yeah, they cook wrong. Somebody said put a nail inside there, but I think you need the whole box of nail.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Cheers.
Rom in the back. Rom. Hello. Say hi.
So the goat are done, the goat done, the dal finished. And I mean finished, it done cook. So Chris is gonna have a taste here. Good. All right. Everybody here is now having lunch. This Friday coming, it's one of our supporters' birthday, Carmen Hussein. We'd like to wish you a happy birthday, many, many more to come. All right, and all the best for you. So Carmen again, happy birthday. Cheers. To end the Father's Day line, again Sunday. We go back here now. I'll do some burgers and have some bread and everything. And my favorite song I'm gonna play was in Africa. I was a warrior, hunting lion and tiger, brave like my forefather. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. And again, happy Father's Day to everybody and all my subscribers. Thank you for supporting us.